Where should you focus on? Individual or team performance? The results are very clear. Team performance. When we see individuals, there's the difference between the worst and the best performance from 1 to 10. But on team level, the difference is between 1 and 2,000. Yes, 2,000. So in this video, we are going to have a quick look on what is a team, what's the difference between individual and team performance, and what are characteristics of a high performance team. Hi, and welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me yet, my name is Sven and I'm an Agile coach based in Austria, and on this channel we are exploring how to make your teams happier and more productive. And today we are going to focus why you should focus more on team level. So let's get started. So teams get work done in today's world of work. But what is actually a team? And I love the definition from Google's project Rework. And they are saying that teams are highly interdependent. They plan work, they solve problems, they make decisions and review the progress in service of a specific project. And team members need one another to get the work done. But why should you now focus on team performance and not the individual performance? There was a study done at Yale University, and I took it out of the book from Jeff Sutherland, The Art of Doing Twice the Work in Half the Time. And at Yale University there was a programming class, and the professor wanted to figure out that what's the performance of students, how long do they take to finish an assignment when they have the same grade. And they figured out that the best student could finish it in 1 hour and the worst students in 10 hours. So the difference was 1 to 10 on individual level, but how was that now on team level? And there was a big study done with comparing 3,800 different projects, and the analysts, they were only focusing on team performance. And they had a look on the task of an individual team, and the best team could finish this task in 1 week. So what do you think was the result of the worst team? Now you could say like, oh, on individual level it was 1 to 10, so on team level it's also 1 to 10. So maybe it took them like 10 weeks. But unfortunately on team level it's a different story. And on team level it took them, the worst team, 2,000 weeks. 2,000 weeks. So now we have a difference of 1 to 2,000 compared to individual level. So I think in the future we should focus much more on team performance than individual performance. What are now characteristics of a high performance teams? In the original paper where Scrum was first mentioned, the new product development game by Takeuchi and Naka, they were mentioning that there's 3 characteristics which are very important. The first one is they have a common purpose, the team. They are self-organized. And third, they are a cross-functional team, meaning all the skills required to do the work of that project are available in the team. So what do you think? What can you do to focus in the future much more on team performance rather than on individual level? Leave a comment below and share your insights. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you want to see more videos about how to make teams happier and more productive, please subscribe to my channel, and I wish you an enjoyable and productive time.